Hello Tech G's, welcome to today's episode of Laptop Tips and Tricks. If you're just joining us for the first time, this is where we help you make the most out of your tech, one smart tip at a time. So today, I've got 5 powerful free applications that can seriously level up your laptop game. It can make it smarter, it can make it safer, and it can make it more productive. And guess what? There's no hidden charges, there's no subscription, there's no trial, it's completely free of charge. So let's dive in. So the first application on my list is the LibreOffice. Just like your Microsoft Word, it does almost practical the same thing, but the difference between this is free and you're not paying for it. So if you're tired of paying for your Microsoft Office, if you're tired of paying for Google Doc, so you have a new best friend. So it has a writer just like your Microsoft Word, it has a calc just like Excel, it has Impress just like your PowerPoint, and it even have tools to help you in your drawing and probably mathematics. So this is different. This is like an extra tool that the Microsoft doesn't have. It's also open source and it's regularly updated, so you can update at every point in time, so you don't need to bother about it being outdated. And it's compatible with all Microsoft formats, so you can open, you can edit, and you can save any document, any Excel file, any PowerPoint slide. And it works on Windows and also work on Mac. Even if you are using Linux, you are not left out. This also works for you, so you don't have any excuse than to switch to this free application. So next on my list is the VLC media player. Most of the time you download video and your system will tell you can't play this video or can't open this format. So the answer for you is your VLC is a perfect fix for you. So it plays literally everything you want to play. If it's MP4, if it's MKV, your FLAC, your AVI, you just name it, is the right choice for you. And the interesting part is that it's lightweight, it doesn't have any ad, and you can stream from network, or you can customize your subtitle. And you see, I don't know, most of the time you see with the icon, the yellow icon, just like your road construction icon. So it's an application that is very useful in your daily life. So thirdly, we have the Notion. So most of the time, your brain feels scattered, you have sticky notes here and there, you have plenty reminders, you have random Word documents. So Notion is about to change your life. It helps in your note-taking application. You can use it to organize your to-do list. You can also use it for calendar, you can use it for database, and you can use it as a planner. So all these things are in one application. So you don't need to have separate applications for each of them. You can create pages for school, you can create pages for content planning, you can create pages for budgeting, anything you can just use to do. And it has various templates that you can select from. I think there are over 1,000 of templates that you can select from. You can sync it on all your devices, you can sync it on your phone, and you can sync it on your laptop. It's very additive. Trust me, when you open it for a quick note, the next thing you know, your whole life is organized. So now let's talk about security. Your laptop is smart, but only if it is safe. So the fourth applications we have is the Malwarebytes. It gives you free malware scanner that hunts down viruses, it hunts down spyware, and also hardware hiding on your system. So run it weekly and you'll be surprised what it picks up. Even if you already have an antivirus software, you need to think about it as fluxing for your laptop. You know, most of us know what the flux is. It's just to get out stuff that is stuck in your teeth. So look at it as a fluxing for your laptop. And finally, Bitwarden. That's the fifth application we have on our list. Most of the time, people tend to forget password. I'm very sure most of us are used to this, or use the same password everywhere, over and over. So Bitwarden is your answer to this. It's free, it's encrypted, and it's safe. It's an encrypted password manager. It stores all your login in one secured vault, and it will help you to generate a strong, unique password for each website. And you can access everything using one master password. It works on browsers, it works on your phone, it works on your laptop, it works on every damn thing. And honestly, if your laptop could thank you, it would definitely. Alright, that is my top 3 application to make your laptop smarter. So if you're already using one of these, drop a comment below and tell me your favorite, or let me know what I should cover next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that bell so you don't miss an update. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.